Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. We got a first from a company called Shieldon. We have a product review for all of you for my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. There is a case inside this box. Very nice presentation. Wow. Again, this is a first. Thank you, Shieldon, for your support. Shieldon leather case for Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus Blue. Updated version, 1-year warranty, change to lifetime warranty. Awesome. We're going to be leaving the link down below in the description. We're going to head over to Amazon. Let's look at a little more information. This case from Shieldon, the flip wallet leather case. I got the blue. You have 3 color choices here: black, blue, red. $29.99, all in stock right now, under 30 smacks. A little visual description here. This is for the S9 Plus, not the S9. Durable soft TPU that will keep your device secure. Inside the flip wallet leather case here, magnetic closure, slim wallet design, 3 card slots, and also a compartment for your smackarulas. If you want to carry a little bit of money in there, I wouldn't carry too much. You can turn it into a stand for watching movies or videos. Very nice. Dual layer shockproof protection. Protect your investment. A device like the S9 Plus is very expensive, and if you drop it, I'm going to tell you something. Nothing is guaranteed, but something is better than nothing. So there you go. Again, the link will be down below in the description. So check out everything before you order. Let's go ahead and get into this box. Very nice presentation. Also, we get this little envelope that says, "To my dear customer." Let's look inside, see what we got going on here. Service card, Shieldon. Thank you for purchasing this flip wallet leather case. Basic instructions on how to use and take care of this case. Also, if there is any issues, any defective issues, get a hold of Shieldon. There is the email there, and they will take care of you. Again, any defective issues. We're not talking about normal wear and tear. Disclaimer. With my S9 Plus inside this case, if I was to drop it on cement and that roughed up the case or it damaged it in any way, that is my fault. That's not Shieldon's fault. And again, any defectives, issues, talking about stitching coming out, the glue that holds the TPU part of this case on the flip wallet leather case here. That's what we're talking about, issues like that. So let's go ahead and take this piece out. Also, they give you this little piece of leather. Let's see if I can get that here. To basically let you know the material that they're using is 100% leather. Very, very nice. Now we're going to put my S9 Plus inside this flip wallet leather case. Look at that. That is really, really nice. Got the Oteo tempered glass screen protector on my S9 Plus. We want to make sure that this case from Shieldon is working with my screen protector. No lifting going on here anywhere on the sides, the top, the bottom. Loving it. Both products working together. I love that. Very snug in this TPU part of the case. Wow, that looks really great. Power button. Works great. We're going to turn on my S9 Plus here in a second. You got the cutouts down below for the mic, the speaker, USB Type-C port, and your headphone jack. And up top, you have a cutout for your other mic. And camera cutout back there for the flash, the dual aperture camera, and your fingerprint reader as well. We're going to turn on my S9 Plus. I'm going to turn up my display there. Okay, so let's turn off the S9 Plus one more time. Fingerprint reader working really, really well. Try that again. And bam, very, very nice. Let's look at the volume rocker. Everything nice and responsive. Okay. The volume rockers are covered up as well as the Bixby buttons, so all that area is going to be protected. So everything responsive, working well there. The other thing that I want to try out is my USB cable. Make sure we get some charge. Very nice. Just making sure that that cutout is big enough so you can most likely use any type of cables that you have as far as USB Type-C to plug in and charge your device. The other test that we're going to do is wireless charging. So let's go ahead and turn off the S9 Plus. Make sure that turns on. And bam, that turned on really, really fast. Let's do that again. Let's turn off this light so you can see this a little bit better. There we go. Very nice. So everything working great. We're going to turn on the S9 Plus and test one more area. The cameras. Make sure that we're not getting any shadowing with the cutout in the back. Everything looking great. Wow. Very, very nice. Again, nice presentation. Love the packaging. Love the feel of this case. When you close it, you can feel the magnetic response. Wow, that is cool. Again, the 3 slots for whatever you want to drop in there, and your compartment for your dollar bills, $5 bills, $10 bills, however much you want to carry in this case. Feel the nature. Very nice. Look at that. Look at that. All right, everybody. I'm out. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being a part. Please subscribe if you haven't. Share the video. And again, thank you so much, Sheldon, for sending me this product for review. Wow. Loving it. Digging it. God bless. I'm out. Peace.